What's up guys, Christian here, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy S10. This right here guys is the best phone from Samsung right now, and today we're gonna test the limits of this phone. We're gonna drop test this smartphone from 1000 feet using a drone, and just to make it even more exciting, we're gonna compare it with the Nokia 3310, the strongest phone ever made in history. So today we're gonna drop both phones from 1000 feet and we're gonna find out if any of these will survive the impact. So without further ado, let's roll. So check it out guys, here is the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is a beautiful phone, blue color, and let's power it on. Behind the scenes, we're trying to make everyone as safe as possible here. We just gotta be careful that no phone lands, no Nokia 3310 lands on anybody's head.
Ahí está.
All right guys, we're about to take off. Here we go. Here we have both phones ready to be dropped. Let's go. We are still going up guys, everything looks good. There's a little bit of wind, but everything else looks quite good. By the way, follow me on Instagram if you want to see behind the scenes footage of everything that goes behind the cameras. So make sure you follow me here, that's my Instagram. And we're about to drop the phone, so we're gonna keep going up. If you can see here in the camera, the phones are hanging in there and everything looks good. All right guys, we're about to drop it. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. It's falling. Whoa! Check this out guys. The classic Nokia 3310 is in pieces. Here is the part, and we're gonna find out what happened with the Samsung Galaxy S10. Check it out. The screen is fully shattered. Samsung Galaxy. It feels really warm. Here are the pieces of the Nokia 3310. We're gonna collect all the pieces. We have a little helper here. All right guys, we're gonna get everything cleaned up and we're gonna see the final results. I'm gonna try to put the Samsung Galaxy and the Nokia 3310 back in place and we're gonna see what happens with the phones. Here we have the classic Nokia 3310 and the remaining pieces. I'm gonna try to put it all back and I'm gonna try to make a call to see if it still works. It's gonna be amazing if it works. All right, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is after the drop. So as you can see here, the phone is fully dead. I tried connecting it to the computer, to the charger. It doesn't work, so no signs of life. It was a pretty hard hit for the Samsung Galaxy S10. So the phone is a little bit bent and the back is fully shattered. The front glass is also shattered and no signs of life. I've tried everything. The phone, Samsung Galaxy S10, is fully dead. So compared to previous phones that we have dropped from that height, we give the Samsung Galaxy S10 an extreme durability test score of 5.0. Now on the other hand, we have the classic Nokia 3310 here. I put it all together and surprisingly, the classic Nokia 3310 is still working. So I was amazed when I tried calling the phone and it still works. And I'm gonna show you right now that the phone still really works. So still, the strongest phone ever made, the classic Nokia 3310. This phone right here is a living legend. So there you have it guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, because we have really cool stuff coming up. Follow me on Instagram, because we upload behind the scenes and everything that goes behind the cameras in Instagram. Thank you so much, my name is Christian, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.